So today I'm going to show you some features of your Google Apps for Education account. So I'm already in Drive, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a new document or to upload a document from my home folder so that maybe I want to work on it at home. So if I go over to the left side, I click on the red New button, and I'm going to, let's say I need to type up an essay for my English class. If I select Google Docs is Google's version of Microsoft Word. It's a word processing program. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to name this document. So it says Untitled in the top left. I'm going to just highlight that and type, this is my research project that I'm working on for English. As long as I click outside that box, it automatically saves. So Google automatically saves when you're working on it, and you do not have to press a save button. So I'm going to start typing up my essay. And let's say that I have finished typing my essay for my teacher, and I want to share it with my teacher because it's a homework assignment. So to share it with teacher, I'm going to click on the blue share button at the top right. And I'm going to start typing the last name of the teacher that I want to share it with. So I want to send it to Miss Schultz. And you'll notice it automatically defaults to can edit. So if I want Miss Schultz to edit the document, I would leave the rights like that. But I just want Miss Schultz to view it, so I can change this to can view. It automatically defaults to let her know that someone has sent her a document, but I'm going to type her a note saying that here's my homework assignment. And then I'd click on send and it would go to Miss Schultz. If you need to change the sharing rights to a document, go into that document. So I'm staying in my research project document. I'm going to click on share, and remember I shared it with Miss Schultz. I'm going to click on her name, and maybe I need to change this to where she can edit the document. So I'd click on the arrow and I would change to can edit. And then down here, I need to save changes. Well, let's say that Ms. Schultz no longer needs access to this document. I can actually click on the X and get rid of her access. And I'd need to make sure that I click on Save Changes for that. You'll notice at the top of my screen, I have two tabs open. I have the name of the document that I'm working on in my Google Doc. And then I also have my Google Drive. If I need to go back into my Drive, I just simply click on it, and it brings me back into all the documents and folders that I've created. If I need to create a new folder, I click on the red New button, I click on Folder, I name the folder, I create the folder. That folder then will be listed in my Drive. If I have so many documents and I can't find a document that I'm looking for, I can search for it up here by typing in the name of the document and then selecting that document. Did you know you can upload files of almost any type, including a Word document or PowerPoint or even Adobe PDF or a video file into your Google Drive? It's pretty easy to do it. You're going to click on your red New button. You're going to click on File Upload, and then you will find where that file is located. So this one is one that I have in my home folder, and I want to be able to work on it at home. So I'm going to find the file, click on it, and click Open. You'll notice that there is a W next to this document. That's because it is in Microsoft Word version. If I click on that document, it brings it up in this viewing stage. So I can't do anything. I can't edit anything in this document. I can just see it. But I need to make some changes to it. So I'm going to go up to Open with Google Docs, click on that, and what it does is it converts that file from Word to Doc so that I can actually make changes to it. Well, let's see what that looks like in my Drive account. I'm going to click out of Viewing. And you'll notice that I have the same document. One has a W for Word, and one has the horizontal lines. That means it's a Google Doc version. Because I want to edit it, I'm just going to use the Google Doc version, which means I no longer need this Word version. So I could just do a right click and remove it from my Google Drive account. I'm going to show you how to create a works cited page within your Google Drive. So what I want is I'm going to create a new Google Doc, And within Google Docs, so I'm going to name this my Works Cited page. And within Google Docs, there is an add-on that I can add. I want to find it. It's called EasyBib. So I'm going to search for it. So I'm going to start typing in EasyBib. And it is a bibliography creator. So I'm going to click on the free. And it wants to talk to my account. And I'm going to click on Allow. And then if I go up to add-ons and select EasyBib Bibliography Creator, Manage Bibliography, it's going to bring up the Cite a Source window. So I can cite a book, a journal article, or a website. And let's say I have a book that I need to cite in my research project. So I'm going to click Search, and it is this one. I'm going to click on Select, and I can add that bibliography to my document, and it brings up it in the MLA format. So the last thing I'm going to show you is how to get to those documents that maybe a teacher shared with you or a classmate has shared with you. So within your Google Drive account, you're going to click on Shared with Me, and then you'll find all those documents that have been shared with you. Maybe you can edit the document or view the document depending upon what rights the person has given you. But I'm going to select one that has been shared with me, and then I can edit the document from here.